Okay, are we recording?
Yes, we are.
Okay, good. Okay. All right. Let's get this show on the road. Hello and hi, everybody. Welcome. This is the September 18th, 2025 KubeStellar community meeting. Thank you for joining us. We are going to, if you want to catch a copy of this meeting or any of the meeting's agenda, go to kubestellar.io/agenda. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Okay. So if you want to join our community, go to kubestellar.io/join us. That's join us is either two words with an underscore separating them or join us without an underscore. If once you get there, click on the button to join our Google group and you'll get access to all of our artifacts in Google Docs, Google Sheets, as well as get regular recurring meeting invites. Okay, so don't ask directly for access to those artifacts because I don't have the ability to give them access, to give you access. So you just basically get it by signing up with our Google group. All right, we are proud members of the CNCF community, and as such, we abide by a contributor code of conduct. So I'll go ahead and read it here. As contributors, maintainers in the CNCF community, and in the interest of fostering an open and welcoming community, we pledge to respect all people who contribute through reporting issues, posting feature requests, updating documentation, submitting pull requests or patches, and other activities. We are committed to making participation in the CNCF community a harassment-free experience for everyone, regardless of level of experience, gender identity, and expression, sexual orientation, disability, personal appearance, body size, ethnicity, race, age, religion, or nationality. Basically, what that means is we just like to be nice to each other here. It's a general good rule of thumb. So today's agenda is listed here. If you'd like, please go ahead and put your name here and tell us that you've arrived. You can come off mute and show your face anytime you'd like during the call. You can raise your hand and let us know if you'd like to put some comments in. All right, so I'll kick things off. We've moved our CNCF, we've moved our Slack organization out of Kubernetes into CNCF Slack org. We're still at pound KubeStellar-dev. You can get yourself an invitation to this community by going to this community inviter that's listed here. We'd love to see and hear from you there. And then once you get your invite, you log in and go to that channel right there, and that's KubeStellar-dev. KubeCon NA 2026 in Amsterdam, the CFP is open. Submissions are due by October 12th. It's just a couple of weeks away, 3+ weeks. You can have up to 4 entries per speaker, and that means 2 for pre-conference and 2 for main conference. Our recommendation is to use all 4. And if you'd like to speak on behalf of KubeStellar, let us know, and we'd be happy to help you create PowerPoint information or abstracts or anything that you need in order to be competitive in the CFP process. KubeCon North America is a little closer. It's in Atlanta, Georgia. The CFP is closed. It takes place on November 10th to the 13th. The pre-conference is November 9th. We have a lightning talk scheduled for the 10th of November at 1:24 p.m. Those schedules are being juggled around, so don't be surprised if that moves, but we are on the schedule. We have a poster session for software-defined farm. That's a collaborative between Cornell and KubeStellar. It's been going on for quite a few years now, actually. They'll be talking about things like confidential computing. That's at 6:15 on November 11th. And then we'll be in the project pavilion. I did get the time and the date for that, but I didn't list it here. So look for us in the project pavilion. And we might have some other areas where we pop up in the presentation and the regular show schedule. So just beware, keep your eyes open and listen for where we might pop up there. Okay, we just finished up Open Source Summit, June 23rd to 25th. We did a talk on interns for open source. I'm going to go ahead and remove that now. It's a little old in the tooth. Let's see, KubeStellar UI update. So this is more or less what we've been doing with internships and mentorships. We finished term 2 a couple weeks ago. Term 3 started at the beginning of this month, so we're in about 2 weeks now. 6 projects are being worked on simultaneously. We have quite a few. You can check out our issue list in our GitHub in order to see any of the descriptions of the following. And then, of course, we continue to work with Cornell on the software-defined farm project, and Georgia Tech in the summers through their OSPO program. In general news, 0.29.0 Alpha 1 test release is available. Are we still testing, Kevin, or did we go full release? Do you remember?
Let me look.
I haven't checked in with Mike recently on this one.
No, we're still in 28.
Oh, okay. Very good. So we are actively working on full release 0.29. We've got some new features coming out. There's a lot of changes to our security scanning and security vulnerability listings. We've been doing a lot of work on that with the OpenSSF and improving our score. I think we're nearing 80%. That's pretty cool. Our upgrade campaign, of course, continues. We'll be moving to Kubernetes 1.31. And more vulnerability fixes. We've done a lot with Prow. I think we're in good shape with Prow now. We've got a few outstanding items. We got to get some help wanted on these. And I know that there's been some work with this for KubeFlex, not applying the post create hook soon. So I think that might have been completed. I think the top part, but maybe not the waiting stuff. Franco, are you on the line? Not yet.
No, he's at another meeting.
Oh, right. You said he was out. All right. I don't think we have anybody here that can comment on that. All right. All right. Summarization work is in progress. So that summarization work is, happening in conjunction with some of the other programs that we're doing in the IFOs. Okay. And work continues on multiple simultaneous KubeStellar systems and maybe even leveraging things that we're doing in A to A. And our roadmap, we've been continuing to discuss. So, of course, we've got a lot of open PRs that can be reviewed and address certain issues. Security vulnerabilities, of course, and we've got specific issues that we'd like to make make quick work of and get rid of them. We have a new KubeFlex release that just was released, and now we're rebasing to that. Yeah, that's what I meant is by KubeStellar using that KubeFlex release. And of course, the new KubeStellar release, which would be 0.29 full. And that should include 1.31. And we've got some work going on also on OCM and ACM convergence. This is the Open Cluster Manager and Advanced Cluster Manager from Red Hat. Okay, so that about does it for what I had to talk about. Is anybody here that's on the call that would like to speak about anything that they're working on or needs any kind of help or assistance from any of the maintainers in the community?
You got a message in the chat.
Okay. Stop sharing. Okay. Oh, great. Thank you, Angel. All right, so Angel indicates that the post-create problem has been fixed. I'll go ahead and update that now on the summary. Okay. All right. Who is anybody on the call that would like to speak? Kevin, anything you want to talk about in regards to the UI and the user experience?
I don't want to steal my mentee's thunder. They just got a preview site started, but it is by no means complete. So probably in a couple weeks or so, we will splash it out there. But we're developing a new separate docs repo where we can play with this without affecting our website. And once we've got some content in it, people can go take a look at it, see what's going on. But it will not interfere with the working website until we're ready to flip the switch.
Very good. All right. Maybe next time we have the call, maybe you can give us a preview of what that looks like.
Yep.
All right. Cool. All right. I see Braulio and June on the call. Anything you either of you want to speak about? Okay. All right, folks. Thank you very much for joining this week, and we'll see you again in 2 weeks. Take care.